This is Kunshan University, also known as DKU, located in a wetland ecosystem within the Yangtze River Delta of Jiangsu Province. DKU is China's very first university campus with buildings certified by LEED standards. As you can see, the buildings and campus design are aesthetically pleasing, composed of panels and panels of glass and elements of modern architecture. DKU is also a huge environmental leader and has integrated advanced technology to be water and energy efficient by using a rainwater collection system, solar panels, and other environmental initiatives. However, did you know that although we are surrounded in a wetland ecosystem that is home to many diverse flora and fauna, DKU's glass buildings are actually killing many migratory birds? Here is Professor Binbin Lee discussing the importance of DKU's geographical location towards the migratory bird route.
So DKU is at a really important location because now it's in the coastal China and in this Australian Arctic flyway. So a lot of migratory birds will come through DKU in this area in spring and in fall.
Window collisions is the leading death of birds worldwide. Approximately 1 billion birds in the United States die from window collisions. Now imagine how many birds die probably in China each year. Birds run into windows because the glass is invisible to them, and during the day, glass windows are reflective of surrounding water, vegetation, and landscape. Also, during the night, birds will fly into lighted windows because the light diverts nocturnal bird migrants from their original path. This is why many ornithologists who work with architects always advise never to build glass buildings near large bodies of water or large amounts of vegetation. As seen in DKU's campus design, all the campus buildings are constructed mostly or partly of glass, surrounded by water. However, why should we care about bird window collisions? Here is Professor Stuart Pym from the Nicholas School here to explain why we should care and what DKU as a school can do about this issue.
So why are birds important? I love birds because they're fascinating and interesting, and they tell us so much about the natural world. But if I were being an economist, which I'm not, I would tell you that birds are worth billions of dollars because bird watchers spend huge amounts of money to watch birds, to have them near them, to go bird watching, to photograph them. It's a pleasure that millions of people around the planet enjoy. What can we do about that here at Duke University Kunshan? Well, the reality is we're killing birds here for no good reason. We have windows, we have birds that fly into those windows and get killed, and we can fix that. At Duke University in Durham, we have retrofitted windows with little docks, and the birds see that it's not an open space. They don't fly into the windows. It's a very simple fix, and they don't get killed. I hope DKU will change their windows so they're not killing the birds that so many of us love.
Luckily, this semester, 55 graduate and undergraduate students at Duke Kunshan University are already actively addressing bird window collisions on campus.
So trying to reduce the death rates from colliding with the window. So we have these window collision projects happening at DKU.
Surveying took place in September, and although not many dead birds were found throughout campus during this week surveyed, bird window collisions is still a serious threat to migratory birds on DKU's campus. As seen, students are eager and proactive in addressing bird collisions at DKU, and the active participation of DKU's student body will avoid many preventable deaths of birds and help make DKU a safe environment for all migratory birds.
So I hope our efforts can contribute to the long-term survival of these migratory birds.